Hi guys, this is XENEA Wallet. After you might have connected your wallet and every other thing, this is what you see when opening XENEA Wallet. You just have to use your finger or use your passcode, PIN code that you put. You come over to display. This is the first platform that show. I know some people are saying that they are not unable to log into their Zenith or unable to log. It's just very, very simple. Very, very simple. All what you have to do, just check everything. Remember, before your wallet connection works, and the answer to save to cloud, the Google Drive and the rest. But we didn't use that one, but that is the recommended one. Then we now save to what? To not cloud, which is not recommended. That is why you can see at the top, seek backup data to the cloud. You understand? And when you click on it, and they have not developed that their website, that save to cloud always give error. So once you click on it now, what it will show you now, it will show you that you should go back to that place and do it, and it which is going to end up in error. So all what you have to do is to leave it first. When they develop it, you can see even my balance now. You can see that it's in 000 total balance. I believe this one will come out when they are doing their what TGA, and it's going to be on BNB, polygons, and Interior. So once you come over to this place, you see that everything is all right, quite all right. But people are unable to do their tasks, normal claiming and the rest. So if you are finding it difficult, it's simple. Just follow me up and see that I can see something showing. I see ongoing James campaign. Under the ongoing James campaign, just click on it. You see now, it will now take you to the old platform, the old XENEA wallet, whereby you're able to see your games and the rest. Just click on claim. Wow. Just scroll it down and see. This is the no sale which they started will be held on May 27, and which people have what collected their code. You can still do it if you have not done it. Just check just check my link. You see it there. Are you able to collect 2,000 gens under this place? Are you able to collect 2,000? Just enter the voucher code. I drop the voucher code there. Just go over to that place and do it. So we come over to this place. Let's do the today quiz. On today quiz, let's start today quiz. Let's say today quiz, the answer is A. Okay, let's submit and see if it's correct. Wow, that is great. Let's enter the other normal ways of doing things. And also, we're going to be checking if there's any events that is taking place so that we're able to drop the video. Then click on it now and then see that. Then click again. You see? Then click again. Let's click and see. No, there's no event. Let's click. Okay. Let's take the other one. First protocol. No event. You can see. You see everything is well done. Make sure that your mining is going. Your TG is around the corner. You can go over to check their what. Their roadmap. TG is around the corner. So bless you. If you have not subscribed before, please do wait to subscribe. Thank you.